Hello and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. Today we are making ground turkey chalupas. Let's get started by browning 1 pound of ground meat. I'm using ground turkey, but you could definitely use ground beef or ground chicken for this recipe. Once your meat starts to turn brown, you can go ahead and start seasoning your meat. I'm not going to be draining the ground turkey, so I went ahead and added 1 pack of Sazon and 1 pack of taco seasoning, reduced sodium. I also added a little garlic and a little smoked paprika. Continue to mix well until combined. Once your meat is brown, go ahead and add your corn and your black beans. This is just extra. You don't have to add the veggies if you don't want to, but the sweet corn and the hearty beans just give it some great flavor. Give that a good mix until it is combined. Cover, reduce the heat, and let simmer for a few minutes. While that is simmering, go ahead and test your oil for the naan. And you can see that will be used a lot in Indian cooking, but it's also perfect for these chalupas. You're going to brown these just for a few minutes and then take your tongue, press them together in the shape of a taco. So I did this for one, and I forgot to do it the long way. I did mine the short way, and then I ended up just making them like open face tacos. They should be nice and golden brown, just like this. Now let's assemble the chalupas. I started with the the ground turkey mixture with beans and corn. Then I added the shredded cheese. I'm using Mexican cheese here, but you can also use whatever you have or whatever your favorite cheese is. Next, going in with some shredded lettuce, some Pico de Gallo, as well as a little bit of guacamole, some sour cream, and some taco sauce. All these options are up to you. Whatever you like on your taco, that's what you put on it. Whatever you don't like on it, simply leave it out of the recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.